For basic tasks like web browsing and emails, you should go for Intel's Celeron or Pentium or AMD's Athlon or A series with minimum 4GB RAM. If you'll use your laptop for Microsoft Office apps, watch movies or run basic coding applications, you should choose Intel's Core i3 or AMD's Ryzen 3 series with minimum 4GB RAM. If you do many tasks at the same time, like browsing, editing documents, listening to music, and so on, then for better performance and smooth switching between tasks, choose Intel's Core i5 or AMD's Ryzen 5. Go for minimum 8GB RAM. This will also be sufficient for casual gaming. If your use involves running heavy professional applications, photo and video editing, data processing, or playing heavy games, then go for Intel's i7 series or AMD's Ryzen 7 series. Choose 16GB RAM to get the maximum performance from these processors.